Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kibana for time series data analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Kibana for time series data analysis, begin by ensuring your Elasticsearch instance is running. Open your web browser and navigate to the Kibana URL, typically http://localhost 5601. You will be greeted with the Kibana login screen. Enter your username and password. If you are using the default settings, the username is often Elastic. Next, set your password, which was configured during the Elastic. If you've changed these defaults, use your current credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the Kibana dashboard. To analyze time series data, click on the Discover tab in the left-hand menu. In the Discover section, select your index pattern from the drop-down menu. If you haven't set up an index pattern yet, click on Index Patterns under the Management section. Follow the prompts to create a new index pattern based on. After selecting your index pattern, you can define the time filter for your analysis. Set the time range in the top right corner to specify the time frame for your data. You can choose from preset ranges or set a custom range to suit your needs. Once your time filter is in place, you'll see the relevant data populate in the Discover window. Utilize the various filtering options to narrow down your search results. You can also preview specific fields by selecting them from the list on the left. To visualize your time series data, head over to the Visualize tab. Choose the visualization type that fits your analysis, such as line charts or area charts. Configure your visualization settings to display your data correctly. Apply your changes and save your visualization for future use. Now, you've successfully authenticated with Kibana and are ready to analyze time series data. You can continue to explore more features, including creating dashboards for a comprehensive view of your data. This enables a deeper understanding and better decision-making based on the analyzed information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.